trying to escape, leave the shade, find the sunshine, baby. Let me light the way, away from here. I said no way, this bridge can hold our way. So let me light the way, away from here.
Now I'ma tell you like who told me, if cash rules everything around or leave. And I'm not saying that our people shouldn't buy shit, I'm just saying that our country didn't bat an eyelid when America's got blood on its hands and we scramble going Rambo to accumulate land. And leaders sitting down when we're asked to understand, and doesn't really seem like the right's in command. So I've been thinking of a master plan, cause most of us would rather get a cash advance than meet the people that are different just to shake some hands. Man, all we gotta do is give it a chance. I guess if it was all that easy, we wouldn't break treaties, we wouldn't even need these. Yeah, somebody teach the world these lyrics, so maybe one day then we're all gonna hear it.
We're trying to escape, leave the shade, find the sunshine, baby. Let me light the way, away from here. I said no way, this bridge can hold our way. So let me light the way, away from here.
Oh, I guess it's how it's supposed to be. But there's more to being green than just roasting trees. Sometimes I'm blinded by what's in between the stems and seeds. That's why I've learned to live my life without a need for weed. Yeah, and that's my Microsoft word to your mother. Why can't we just live and enjoy each other? Cause either way you look up at the world that we cover, we all end up being sisters and brothers. And man, I'm in a beautiful position. That's why I'm asking you to encourage some ambition and chalk it all up, or this talk is all bluff. I'm starting from the ground till I build it all up. Yeah, and can you learn from me? And I promise I will learn from thee. I'm gonna teach the world these lyrics, and one day we're all gonna hear it. Like,
we're trying to escape, leave the shade, and find the sunshine, baby. Let me light the way, away from here. I said no way, this bridge can hold our weight. So let me light the way, away from here.
okay, when you're ready.
Let me tell you where I'm from, where hyphy's made. Golden Gate.
Hey, the couples all jump.
Throw a hoodie on and come with me. Burn it all down with the gasoline. We're going indie, girl, making history. Hey, indie girl, you got a kiss for me. Snapshots, they caught us on camera. Say she's from the picture, she was from Alabama. Red lights, we tripped the alarm and now it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We were breaking all kind of laws. We were bouncing off the walls. The times that we had were the best. We can do it one more time. Be my partner in crime. Don't tell me no. Say yes. Are you ready, girl? Say yes. If you're ready, girl. Say yes. Roy ADA, a supersonic laser ray, subatomic matrix. Man, those were the crazy days. Dancing to your favorite song, shaking like a polywall, freaking like a dirty dog. Nerdy girls, I love them all. Snapshots, we're going bananas. Say she's from the picture. Girls are flashing the cameras. Red lights, we run them at random. Middle finger.
Okay, On 3, your hands will go up, okay, and whisper loudly. Whisper loudly, yeah. Okay, whisper loudly. AJ04 for the last time. Okay, on 3, 1, 2, 3. AJ04.
Tie-dye shirts, feathers in your hair, dancing in circles, we can smell the fresh air. Music's all we got, but damn it's all we need. Out here on our own, life is so pure. Oh yeah, life is so pure. Life is so pure.
Don't think you ever have to be lonely. Don't think you ever have to be the only one out on your own now. You just met the world and it's ready for you. We're spinning in circles slowly.